Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial, and we are going to explore something super important today that will take your chatbot to the next level. So in this video, I'll show you how to use user input flow features to collect and save your subscribers' data for creating customized bots for specific subscribers. So before diving into the details, I'm just going to take a minute to talk about it. Like, why do you actually need it, and how does it come handy? So imagine you have a chatbot and you wanted to chat with your subscribers in a personalized way and remember their preferences and offer them exactly what they need, whether it's discounts, coupons, updates, or just some friendly chat. And that's where the Azure Flow actually comes into play. It's like giving your chatbot a superpower to remember your subscribers' preferences and respond them in a better way. So in this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step process and show you exactly how to use the usual overflow feature to collect your users' data. And by the end of the tutorial, you should be able to create your own chatbot that connects your audience on a whole new level. Okay, so let's get started. Well, to get started, log into Boswell's account and head over to the dashboard. Here, I'll click to get started and navigate to Bot Manager. Then click Create and it will redirect me to the visual drag and drop flow builder. By double-clicking this chatbot flow, I will add the trigger words like hello, hi, or start, and I must add a title. Since I assume this to be a pet shop, I'll name it as a pet bot. But don't forget to save your settings. I'll add a welcome text from the text button. I'll write, "Hello pet lovers and welcome to Mini Pet Shop," and save it. Well, from this option you can organize your chatbot's interface. Now I'll use an interactive well. I'll be using a lot of interactivity in this tutorial because I'm going to take input from the user. And by interactive, I'll be able to give buttons so they'll get options. And finally, I'll get them to option to buy their products. That's why I'll be using a lot of interactives. So we have 3 options here: a header, a message body, a footer. The header and footer option is not mandatory to be fulfilled. But anyway, I'll show you how to add it. I'll just proceed with writing the message body first. I'll write, "We have a fantastic selection of pet products. Choose any of the options below to get started." Since this is about a product, I'll just write product preview in the header option. It's not mandatory to add, but it can if you want. Let's say we organize it. I'll provide with buttons. Well, here I'd like to say you can add 3 buttons to your interaction maximum, and you can delete them by clicking on the right button of your mouse. I'll add the button name. I'll give the option like see all products at first. Well, selecting Send Message enables it to send messages and continue the bot flow. I'll add another option Buy Now and send a message and organize it. We can use images onto interactives as well. I'll add an image that looks like a welcome image too, but it looks better now. However, I'll handle the See All Products button. Suppose the user clicked the Sale button, and I'll again use interactive. Double-click it so this response will be charged by your chatbot. If you said interactive after See All Products button, so I'll write here are some of our featured pet products. Choose your preference and sell it. I'll again provide with 2 options. I'll just write it as a Cadbury butter and dog color. Send message. Let's handle the campaign button. Suppose the user clicked cat bait. Now we will ask them what kind of cat do they really want. So, all right, wonderful. What kind of campaign would you like to buy, and save it? I'll again provide with 2 buttons. I'll give 2 options: cat tails and window perch. Organize it. I'll handle the cat click button. Again, interactors. I'll write, great choice. What size would you like to order? I'll again provide with 2 options. I'll write medium and large. I'll get 2 options. Organize it. I'll handle the media and buttons. Suppose the subscriber clicked on medium. So what response I want to get? Well, in this point, I'll use user input flow button. Now, from this point. Now, since the user has given all their order preferences like what they want, what size they want, now at this point I will start taking their information by enabling user input flow button. From now on, whatever question I will ask, all the informations will be saved to subscribers' data. So let's see, how does it works in user input flow? You have to give a campaign name like it reflects the purpose here. Since I am collecting order information, I'll just write in writing the campaign name, my campaign name me or collection. My first question is, well, you have two options to add 3 keyboard input and multiple choice. I'll just go with free keyboard input. All right, nice. Let's get the process started. To personalize your order, may we know your pet's name? Well, in this point, I will show you how to use the custom field as well. You better know. Or the people doing businesses know that under their business niche, what kind of custom feel they might need. So here, this is a paint shop, and the custom field trade name can be an important custom field. So under this business and this particular niche. The question for big name is an important one. So I'll just add a new custom field named pet name, so you can select the to text type reply type. I'll just add a new custom field name and save it. And I'll select it in the custom field so it will be saved in the custom field when the user provides the pet name. Again, I'll ask another question, and one of the interesting facts of custom fields are you can use the custom field information to talk to your subscribers in the little questions. Just like from here, the information the buyer will provide, you can use the name. I'll show you how. Here, I'll write, thank you. Say hello to the furry friend. Here, I'll use the custom field, such as the kid's name, so the bot will reply in a personalized manner and take the pet's name here, and you can use the hashtag wherever you want to in the whole text. Now I'll collect the user's contact number and I'll write what's the best contact number to reach you regarding your order. I'll set the reply type to number. Since the phone numbers are always given by number, I'll add another question and take another information. Now I'll check the buyer's address to ensure a smooth delivery. Please provide your delivery address and I'll choose a system field that is location, so the information will be saved in the system field in the location section. Since I have the buyer's number, his name and his location, I'll send a thank you message. All right, thanks for providing your product choices and order information. Let's make it a little bit of fun. All right, we will process your order and make sure your page is wagging their tail in no time. And save the changes, organize it. And now we will check the other buttons that we left unattended. We must reply with something, otherwise the bot will not stay. Because whenever you are providing with a choice to the customers, you must reply with something. So I'll just give a random reply because this is not our focus. We are focusing on taking the information and using the user input flow button. So I'll just fill this field with a random text. So the bot stays because we cannot lift the buttons unattended without adding any text at all. So I'm just adding random messages to the other options that I used while creating this bot. Save it. We'll check if we have any other buttons left unattended. Save it. There is one more button and we will add another random reply and write 20. One of our human agents will get in touch with me regarding your order of purchase soon. Stay. All done. Well, we can use another photo here in this interaction button. Cotton. It's never a bad idea to add photos in your interactives or in your pod. It looks more attractive only when you add more photos. Well, my bulk is done. I'll just not save it. As you can see, the notification it has saved successfully. I'll go back to the board manager and I'll go to my own WhatsApp account. As you can see, all the informations are saved. So you can use this information to create any customized plot in future and send messages to your subscribers from a personalized way. Thank you very much for watching. And stay tuned for the next video for how to use this information and create customized bots to send specific messages to your specific subscribers, and how to use it, actually. And thank you very much.